Welcome to another Adventures with the Cohns, and today we're in Helen, Georgia.
Yeah, we traveled. It was the girls' first time out of Florida, so this is big for us.
And so today we decided to trek to Anna Ruby Falls. That's not Ruby Falls, but it's Anna Ruby Falls, so it's two different places. So we're excited, the girls are excited, hope you're excited, but come along and see what Anna Ruby Falls is. So we've been on the trail for about 10 minutes and we're almost there, just a little bit. But I want to hear how the girls are finding out how this trail is, so let's see. So girls, how do you think of Anna Ruby Falls so far?
Is it harder than you thought or easier? Easier and harder. It's a lot more steep than I thought it would be, but it's not that bad. Does give you a heart pumping workout.
I mean, it is a lot of uphill trail, but guess what? On the way down, it's downhill from there.
It's doable.
All right, well, let's see what the falls looks like. The falls. Well, there you have it, Anna Ruby Falls. What a great hike. It was only 0.8 miles round trip, and we got to see two beautiful falls coming down. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. While you're at it, hit the notification bell so that when we upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.